Are you ready? Hey, think you can tell us what to do? Do you think you can tell us what to wear? You think that you're better? Well, you better get ready. Bow to the masters. Break it down. Degenerate into something fool. We just got tired of doing what you told us to do. That's a brace, boy. Yeah, that's a brace, little man. Break it down. Degeneration up. Degeneration. You can take my time.
Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan and anong na-feel ko the first time I saw you. Pero naaalala ko yung unang pagkakataong naramdaman ko na may connection tayo. Baka di mo naaalala or it was just an ordinary day or event sa'yo since I was just a no one for you.
Attention undivided.
Para sa pinakamamahal kong Earth, Mahal, Bal, Nay, ang habang buhay kong magiging kachismisan pag-uwi ng bahay araw-araw. Ito na ang pinakamatagal na nating iniintay. At sa wakas ay mangyayari na. Sa totoo lang, naramdaman ko na ikaw na talaga nung araw na napindot mo ang tawag sa messenger nang hindi mo sinasadya. Sabi sa'yo, tinadhana talaga na mangyari yon.
Oh, there's a give and taking, falling in love, you make it easy, you're than I ever thought.
Masaya ako na pakasal ka.
Masaya ba yan? Umiiyak ka?
Basta gusto kong maging masaya sila sa pagsasama. Kaya, okay na yun.
You can have my strength.
Just be a good father, be a good example to your son and to your family. Sana, sabagay para ka naman papa mo, manang-mana ka dyan. Loving ka naman, obviously. Huwag ka lang iyakin. Okay, yun. Lagi dyan support namin sa'yo. Whatever happens.
When it gets hard to keep going. Oh, you can have my voice.
It was during my report sa social science. I was so nervous while reporting as a not-so-smarty girl. And I was always not sure if I'm doing it correctly. My eyes locked into yours and I felt like you were supporting me. Na, sige lang, tama yan. Tuloy mo yan. I have forgotten this event for a long time, but this popped in my mind when I thought about our first meeting.
Habang sinusulat ko ito para sa'yo, naalala ko yung mga panahong tuwing weekend, makikita tayo para lang mag-date sa museum at kakain ng cup noodles sa 7-Eleven. Hanggang sa ngayon, nakakakain na tayo sa kahit saang resto nang hindi na lang tayong dalawa.
Just to hold you.
My brain showed to me a very clear picture of you while supporting, and that made me realize that there's something special about you. I know at aaminin ko, ako ang unang nagkagusto at ako ang unang nag-move para magkaroon ng tayo.
You can have it. Oh, there's nothing.
Kasama mo ang Diyos, tatlo agad kayong magsasama. Ikaw kay Steve, ikaw kay Ruben, at ang bukuludan ng pag-ibig ang ating Panginoon. Kapag sinunod niyo yan, habang tumatagal ang inyong pagsasama, makita niyo lalong tumitibay, lalong lumalalim ang pagmamahal na inyong ibinabahagi sa isa't isa.
Ang pagiging totoo mo at ang pagiging open mo sa lahat ang isa sa pinakamahal ko sa iyo. Kahit na alam mo na yun. Kahit ulit-ulit ako. Pero syempre, ang higit sa lahat ay kahit pumikit ang aking mga mata, alam ko na ikaw ang kasama ko.
I know that marriage is no joke at hindi magiging madali. Kung ano mang magiging hirap, problema, sakit, saya, galak, lungkot, luha, tagumpay, at failure na mararanasan pa natin in the future. Pinapangako ko, hawak kamay nating haharapin at lalampasan lahat.
Salamat dito sa Nintendo Switch.
I'm seeing stars. I'm feeling sparks.